Step 1. This is not in English. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate and today I am going to be tinting my brows. So I have been looking forward to doing this today and I've actually wanted to do it for a long time already, but I just haven't had the time to do it. I've been very busy with work and I've been really lazy as well, so yeah. Anyway, please excuse my bare face. I look just a disclaimer, I've not tried tinting my brows in the past. This is gonna be my first time doing it, so I hope that I don't do anything stupid, or I hope this turns out okay. I hope I don't have any allergic reactions because that would be really bad. So for today I'm gonna be using this mustache and beard tint thingy. It's called Just for Men. So this is in the shade M45 dark brown black, as you can see right there, if it's not focusing. In the box it says that you should do the 48-hour skin allergy test before use, which I didn't do because who's got the time to do that? But kids, seriously, I recommend that you do the 48-hour skin allergy test before use because I won't be liable if anything happens to you. So this thing comes with a color base, a color developer, brush, mixing tray, gloves, and instructions. So let's go and open it. Actually guys, let me let me shape my brows first so I have like a guide on where I should actually put the tint. Some people use petroleum jelly to do this, but personally I think I would prefer I would prefer using a concealer, so I have like a precise outline on where I should actually put the tint. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be using my favorite concealer, the Maybelline concealer, to use to shape my brows, and then I'm gonna be using my trusty eyebrow brush to apply the tint. And so yeah, I'm just gonna shape my brows right now. Be right back. So guys, basically I've already shaped my right brow. So I don't know if I should have showed you how I did it, but basically I just shaped it. So this is how I would like it to look like. I mean, this is the shape of my brow. This is how I would like my brows, or my brow, to be shaped. As you can tell, my brows are really sparse. I don't have gifted like thick brows or anything, so I need to fill these sparse areas with the tint and hopefully make it look like it's fuller. Right now I'm just gonna do the other brow because I've not done it yet. Yeah, I just felt like showing you my undone brows, so whatever. I think they're quite even out. Ugh. Let me just say, apart from the concealer working as like an outline for your brows, they protect your skin from getting any unwanted tint, if you know what I mean. So we're now ready to mix the products together. So it says on the guide that we should put equal amounts of this tube, or this tint, to the developer. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it. So I'm just gonna put like a tiny bit here, that tiny, because we don't really need much, do we? The color developer. So I'm gonna put an equal amount of that thing here. I think that's equal amount. So I'm gonna mix the two together using the brush it came with. So it says in the instruction to use the other end to mix the two together. So I'm just gonna do that right now. It's not focusing. I think it's mixed well enough. It looks rank. So this is what the product looks like. You can see it now. It looks like mucus. It doesn't look like it's gonna turn black or anything, but I'm just gonna put my trust in this product and we'll see what happens next. I'm just gonna do it already. Okay, so as I get to this part, like to the front bit of my brows, I'm gonna do like hair-like strokes because we want like that gradient effect, and I want it to look as soft as possible because I don't want like box looking brows. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. So like I'm putting product with really light hand. I'm gonna do the other one off camera and then I'll be right back. So I've now done both my brows. I know I look scary right now. It looks really bold and dark and whatever. I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes from now before I wash them off. In the instructions it actually says to wait 5 minutes. But I think if I wait a bit longer than that, it's gonna turn out a bit darker, and I think it's going to last longer. I'm gonna be right back with you guys after 10 minutes is up and I'm gonna wash it off. So 10 minutes was up and I just washed my face. I washed off the product and the concealer, and this is what it looks now. Yeah, I'm really happy with it, with the result, but I think that it's still quite light for my liking, so I'm gonna put more product right now just to like make it look darker. I'm not gonna put any more concealer because I already have my like outline. I'm just gonna follow this, and yeah, let's do this. So I'm just gonna do the other brow off camera again so it's quicker, and I'll be right back with you after I wash it off and with the finished look. So guys, I'm back. So this is the final result. It only took me 3 applications. I know that I told you earlier that I was gonna put some more on, but I actually put more after that because I still wasn't quite happy with the result. It was still quite light for my liking. So yeah, as for the tint, I'm quite happy with it. At least I can go out without putting my eyebrows, putting eyebrows on. I can just go whenever and without worrying about how I look, because let's admit it, your eyebrows are like your natural contour, and yeah, I think eyebrows are everything. The color actually looks more brown than black. I mean, I know that the shade in the box says medium brown black. Did it say medium brown black? Dark brown black. So that's what the box says. And I think it's just like medium brown. I wanted it to look more black than brown because I have naturally jet black hair and I wanted it to match, but I think this is better than nothing. So yeah, I'm quite happy with the result. Probably next time I'm going to buy the black one instead of this one. And so yeah, that's it for today, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like my new brows, and tell me what you think. So that's it for today. I will see you again in my next video, and bye.